Hello fellow WordPress enthusiasts and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So today I will tell you about the latest updates for all my plugins, which include PHP8 compatibility. So if you check the changelog of all my existing plugins, so if you scroll down to all my plugins and check the latest or almost latest versions, you will see that PHP8 compatibility update was released in mid-January. So also you will see this image on all plugins. So rest assured, PHP8 compatibility is assured and checked with all my plugins. So you will see this in Newsamatic, in Echo RSS feed post generator. If we scroll down here, the same is here. FB-O-Matic, the Facebook post generator, YouTube-O-Matic, the YouTube one, Crawler-O-Matic, the scraper and crawler, it also is updated. And if you check the mega bundle, which is a discounted price right now, it will also contain all and every plugin that I created so far and will create in the future, and it also contains this badge, meaning that all plugins that it contains are PHP8 compatible. So I want to tell you guys that all plugins from here are compatible with PHP8, so go ahead and update your servers with the latest PHP version. Regarding my plugins, you will not have any issues after the update. However, if you have other plugins that might not have been updated for PHP8, you should not make this update yet. So don't update to PHP8 if you are not sure that every or at least most of your plugins that are installed on your server and on your site are PHP8 compatible, because PHP8 introduces many breaking changes, meaning that there are many code changes and structures and requirements that will break your site if you leave the old code. So the code that worked on PHP7 might not work on PHP8. This is very important, and this is something that you should know. So please be sure that you check all plugins and themes that you have on your site and only update to PHP8 afterwards. Or you can do it using a staging environment, a testing environment, where you clone your site, where you put all and every plugin and theme that you have on your site, and there you check if it will work on PHP8. This is the safest mode to update. So keep in mind, all my plugins are updated and working with PHP8. However, if you have also other plugins on your site, which is very likely that you will have, update to PHP8 only after you checked in a staging environment that it will work for you. So yeah, this is all for today. I will make a new video soon with some details on PHP8 and why it is breaking the sites after the update. And this new video will be also interesting because I will detail there what changed and why does this new PHP version break the old sites so often. So yeah, please subscribe to this channel to get notified each time I release a new video here, because I will make new videos each day and release them at 7 p.m. GMT. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye.